This is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. We're going to take a look at TEP, which is TallGrass Energy Partners, trading on the NYSE. It was incepted fairly recently, back in 2013. It's been pretty darn strong since its inception. It had a pretty rough go in 2015 and then again in 2017, and as recently as last week had a pretty rough go. However, every pullback that's happened in its history has been a counter trend move, and every upleg that's occurred has been a trendy move based on the Elliott wave pattern. So in that respect, things look very bullish. I really like what we're seeing very recently here, which is, I'm guessing, why you wanted me to look at this. But it looks like the pullback that's been in play since early 2017 may very well have given us an ending pattern and reversed higher from here. So let's go ahead and zoom in and see if that bears out. So here's a little closer look just at the advance off the 2016 high. I didn't put a ton of detail into it, but it's fairly obvious. It's a 5-wave move. That's a trendy move. Just as obvious is the counter trend nature of this pullback off the 2017 high. And it's very typical when you get stuck into kind of a choppy move like this, it's going to end with a spike kind of low. So this looks like a spike low that very well may have ended it, especially considering that it's reversed so strongly upward since then. So let's zoom in even further here. So this focus is just on what's happened over the last, well, several months, but what we're really looking at here is just this action here. So here's the choppy muck that kind of led into the recent decline. Here's the sharp decline, super sharp. They had a kind of a reversal movement here and has gone straight up since there. So the expectation, generally speaking, is that this is an important low. We can't prove it yet. I think what would prove it a little bit better is just a move above 42.25. It's not terribly far away. In fact, another day like what we saw today on February 15th, excuse me, would get the job done. That would bolster our confidence that a low is in and that this sucker is heading straight higher from here. So to the downside, 38.50 is a really key level. I would not want to see this guy move below 38.50 at any point. If it does, it would look like a high is not in. Excuse me. It would look like a low is not in. So 38.50 it serves as a very nice stop level at this point in time. No reason for TEP to move below this level as long as it's heading higher. So, and again, 42.25, a move above that level would build confidence that it's going higher from here. So that's what we're looking at on TEP here. Looks bullish. I think a low is in. Use these key levels to guide you away from here. I hope that's helpful. Thanks.